Kajingsa Kynnoh bau donkti ki pulit hakikam bamsap kadai kamat kabala jekren nakapor syakapor. Bat hadu hiying dorbar tauan. Kamtam hakabaya day bat dewïong kabaki pulit ki yo kabor ban trihok takabakmi bat ban kem habaki lap badon kajing shalantu neti yang marpo kendo ubelati bian bat kani kadai katkum ka hukum jong kayeng kasyari. Haka arpusan tarik unaitung arajar pulai. Klami biang kajing Kynnoh persya eki pulit kibedan hari lom Garo halor ke jingdan benta jongki bani donkti bat kibriyo ki bashalantu iki marpo kendo nadu dewïong motion bat ke jingti bianya ki par kabla penjat bahaya ke mariang bat kani kalapau hadian ke jingklumar kabla ja hatura ka arp sautrik unaitung hadian balawai ke jingyelang jong menteri rangba ukon ret ke sangma bat ki seng balang acik GHSMC bat kiwe HCM office unong mikmat ubadon hakaliang persya bat ubalong menteri rangba barim kejela Dr. Mukul sangma haba crunch kilat patai kubor hakamiet jong ka arp santrik unaitung hakiyeng sa jong ula Kynnoh baki pulit ki badan ban syakri upaj ba harilum Garo kila syak pendonkam ban penyat yau dewïong balati bean batru yakiwe ki marpo kendo ulong ru baladang in lej shawes Garoils nin yoi ke jingdon kti jong ki pulit hakin iki kam badru ban penyat iki chalan badbu jingkeliru ya ke jingja jong dewïong ubadan hadu laipu ar metrik lak ton ubaladep kurup bat ubadai ban auction ulabo jingkeli hato dewïong udon thapniang bo unsujahi.
Now there are many things. Please remember, there are many things. Why I'm saying this? Police organizations are also being used to facilitate many irregularities, including illegal mining, illegal transportation. So do you think they are not hand in gloves with the people in power? Yes. Let us go to Garo Hills and see. In West Garo Hills now. Let's go and see how many rampant illegal mining is taking place along the western border. Stone quarries and rampant transportation beyond the permissible limit, damaging all the road networks which were built during our time. Why is it happening? Are there no officers who are to regulate them? There are. But why? Because there is a criminal conspiracy to engage in these irregularities. Honorable High Court has taken cognizance of many of them, at least as far as the illegal mining pertaining to the coal is concerned. Do you remember once I told that if that 32 lakh metric ton of coal, which has been claimed by the government through the inventory that they submitted before the Honorable Supreme Court, claiming that there are 32 lakh metric ton of coal in different coal-bearing districts still to be lifted and transported. I said, it is not there anymore. If there was 32 lakh metric ton, where have they gone? After I had my own exercise going to these coal-bearing districts after 1 year to really find out what has happened. Okay, what is the actual thing happening? Illegal transportation, illegal mining, and then the 32 lakh metric ton of coal. When I went and saw, there was no more coal. Where have they gone? But the digging and illegal mining was still continuing. How it has happened? The nexus between the authorities. Now, what is the order of the NGT? Who is to implement the order of the NGT? The implementation of the NGT order is vested upon the Chief Justice and the DGP. It's clear. Now, if illegal mining have taken place, under whose patronage? Illegal transportation, illegal, issue of all the challenge, everything of this scale, 32 lakh metric ton disappearing. Do the coals have their wings? I don't know. You have also accompanied me to one of the areas in Atiar Hills, where they claim that more than 1 lakh metric ton was there. Where has it gone? So, friends, therefore, the complicity of the law enforcing agencies who are indispensable for administration of justice are today completely defiled. That's the reason why these things are happening. That's why they are happy to connive and be their instrument. I will further go and see what are the other things that is happening.